creatively challenging process that ultimately I think reflected back on my own dissertation research in a really thoughtful way.
It is an amazing way to represent the whole thesis into a visual art. I think it's very important, especially for this generation, because they can see the main elements of the pieces in one piece very attractively.
Every session I've been to has been so stimulating. I've come away with so many ideas, and I think we can all be really, really proud of the way that these images allow us to maybe confront, certainly introduce the public, but make our somewhat kind of dusty academic ivory tower research that bit more striking, that bit more accessible in one way, and as I say, kind of confrontational in another. So it's been really, really exciting.